The Tokyo Monorail can be considered as a sightseeing tour of Odaiba Island. It's not difficult to take seats in the head of the train. The Japanese have seen these beautiful landscapes thousands of times. They prefer smartphones over speeches. The Tokyo Monorail is a train line called Yurikamu. What's it? Line of automatically controlled trains. The train moves between 16 stations. The length of the line is almost 15 kilometers. The whole journey takes 31 minutes. There are approximately 133,000 passengers transported per day. There are 500 trains on the way every day. This is low noise level and pollution-free system. The computer-controlled unmanned system allows you to offer a flexible service. The system works around the clock. Without drivers, unmanned trains can easily provide additional transportation service at any time of the day. CCTV cameras are located at important locations on station platforms and in the passenger area. In the event of anomaly, trains can be stopped from the command post and personnel can be dispatched to resolve the situation. Anomaly is the correct definition of a breakdown, because breakdowns in Japan are supernatural. Passengers can carry up to 2 pieces of baggage. There are strict rules for the carriage of baggage. Weight no more than 30 kilograms. Every kind of stuff shouldn't cause any obstacles to other passengers. However, customers can transport items longer than 2 meters. In addition, users of the system can travel with dangerous objects or objects that may pose a danger to other passengers, such as, attention, deceased people and animals, large pets, objects that can damage the train, items that can harm other passengers due to their unsanitary conditions or an unpleasant smell. This wonderful road was opened in 1996. So guys, the Japan is really fantastic. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.